Flex, right? I think Daniel had mentioned, right, Flex, and I know if you've been to any of our other events, we've talked about Flex. But just to kind of hammer home the point, right, through any of the products that you saw today, as well as the entire AVEVA portfolio, right, is available through this subscription commercial model that we call Flex. And really, the idea is to be flexible in how you purchase and consume licenses, and really scalable with your organization. Now, here on the right, you see kind of an example of what we call the Flex Portal, which is basically a web-based tool that you can do to manage your account, manage your licenses, whether that's checking in a license, whether that's checking out a license, and we'll explain what that means in a minute, as well as you can even download those licenses directly from the portal, right? You don't need to wait for, a couple days from, us to, respond back to you, process internally, and then deliver the license to you, right? You can just do that from this portal directly. So it really gives you much more ownership, much more visibility, and not only to our entire portfolio and what things cost, but as well as licenses themselves.